In section 3.3, number 13, we're given this point on a unit circle, and we need to find y given this x value. So I know that the equation on the unit circle is x squared plus y squared equals 1, and that's true for every point on the unit circle. So if I plug in this x, then I will be able to add y and solve for y. So I'm just plugging in the x, solving for y. Oops, sorry, forgot my squared. So that squared means that every piece of that fraction is squared. That the negative is actually with the square too, so it's going to be positive. Negative times negative is positive. And that square root of 11 squared is 11. 4 squared is 16. And then I need to isolate the y. So I need to subtract 1 minus 11 over 16, which is, I'm going to express that 1 as 16 over 16 in order to get that common denominator, which gives me 5 over 16. So y squared is 5 over 16. That means y, taking the square root of both sides, it's going to be plus or minus. I get plus or minus radical 5 over 4. Square root of 16 is 4. But I can't take the square root of 5. And then I need to decide if it's positive or negative, and I do that by looking at the quadrant. And I see the quadrant is quadrant 2. So in quadrant 2, y is positive. So my final answer would be positive radical 5 over 4.